Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Wahaj. Today we are exploring something new that is really exciting and too much good. Let's see my screen. You also see my screen. Okay, so let's discuss about it. What is that? What I am going to show you. That is really exciting. That is something similar to the Canva. Okay, Canva, used for the different things. Most people know about that, but that is introduced by the Adobe Express. Maybe you know about that or not. Let's explore this. What is that and how you can use this for your projects and for the things that especially for the Fivers and the freelancer. They use this for their designing things, and they can create a lot of things through that. Okay, let's explore this. What is that and how you can use this for your projects and the other things. I use this a little bit, but I want to discuss with you people so you can also explore that with me, and let's see that how that is. That is new as well. That is free of cost. You can sign up through your Gmail account, and that is simply free of cost. But for the premium item, there are some prices as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, that is Adobe Express. That name is Adobe Express. So that is introduced by the Adobe. So let's see that how that is. Okay, so there are things in the starting page when you logged in. There is an Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post. You can design posters as well, logos, flyers, collage, book cover, album covers, and I see there is a YouTube thumbnail as well, and the resume and the invitations. So I see these things are here. So okay, that's really nice. So okay, so these are the Instagram stories. As you know, if you want to update your Instagram story in a like attractive way, you can easily click one of them and start from here. So there is a lot of templates, pre-made templates. You can use those templates as well. There is Instagram post as well. If you want to create a nice and attractive post, you can easily build through that. So that's really nice. There is some trending backgrounds, Facebook post option as well, and there is some posters. You design the posters as well, and the logos. If any client want a logo, you can easily simply start a logo from here, and you can modify that easily. There is Adobe Express. They also include some apps like Adobe Photoshop Express. Okay, so and there is a mobile application as well for this Adobe Express. Okay, so that's great. So let's see that there's a flyer as well. There is a different option, different collages, and the book cover and the album cover. You can design that YouTube thumbnail, and if you want to build an attractive YouTube thumbnail, you can use these templates. Okay, so that's really nice. If you want to build your resume, you can use this one of the template here as well. And if you want to create an invitation, so you can create invitations from here as well. Pre-made templates, these are really nice. So and on the last there is a discover the latest, what option they are adding in their system, like remove background from the picture. There is a lot of issue if you add any image and you want to remove the background. That's really nice. You can watch this video and tutorials to explore this. Okay, that's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, let's edit one of them, and let's see that how that is working. How easy is that? How you can change the things. Okay, let me find a good template that is easy to edit as well, and that is purposeful more for me. Okay, this nice. That's nice. Okay, 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 I like this one. Let's start from this one. Okay, that is as you see that is a premium. You need to use the premium item. You need to use this plan. There are some plans for as well. Let's find the free one. So let's see that. For example, let me select one of them. Okay, or we can view all as well. Let's see which one is good. That's really nice. Okay, so now you see that they give like if you want to create a hiding post, we are hiding that. Simply you can change this content as well. Like if you want to create an inspirational story or any quote, For example, I edit this. Okay, let's see that. How's that? Okay, so that is the back end. It's look like a editor. That's really nice. Let's explore this. Oh, that's really nice thing I found here. That is a layers. As you see that option is not available in a Canva or any other editor. That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, let's see we can edit this content or not. Oh, we can easily edit this content. I just click that. Here you see that there is option come edit this text. Okay, we can change the color as well. There is a color platelets. We can use the hexa code as well. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, if we want to edit this text, that is also easy to edit. Okay, there is also option to change this font family as well. There is a lot of font families. Okay, let me change this to this one. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, if I want to change the background, let's see. Okay, let me replace. Click on the replace. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. If I want to change this to something featured free, okay, let's explore this. There is some images, really nice images. For example, I want to use this butterfly image as a background. Let's see how that is. Oh, that's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, we can make it blur as well. Okay, that is blur. There is a good option here as well. You can see there is a layers option as well. Let's see what is layer. Okay, if I want to directly click on the layer, okay, that's really nice. That's really nice. You can also explore that. That's really nice. You can create a great Instagram story from here, and you can simply click on this download button, and I think it's really easy to download. Yes, there is option PNG, JPG and PDF, and simply we can download in a PNG or JPG options. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's explore a few things more. Like here is option, we can add different shapes as well. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Design assets. Okay, we can add a different design assets from here as well. Okay, and we see there is a backgrounds option as well. That's really nice. Okay, that's nice. The most beautiful thing I here found that is a layer, because in a Canva or other things the layer option is not available. So Adobe is in a take advantage of this. The people can easily edit the things from here. But I see there is a lot of things need to be improved here. The Canva have a lot more feature like mobile videos. I don't find any reel or anything here. So that is the a disadvantage you said in Adobe Express. I don't find the reels or anything. But we can explore more here. So maybe in the future they add this reels option, shorts option, YouTube shorts and the other things. I hope you like that tutorial, and if you like that, please click on subscribe button and share this video with your fellows and the friends. If you have any question regarding this Adobe Express, feel free to let me know. I'm really thankful to you. I hope you enjoyed this video.